button, no, I will just put it like this, Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
we
So
are we are on. We are being recorded now. Hello, everyone. Here is Cristiano Galvao, and you are hearing a voice because my special guest is already on the side right here.
I'm sitting next to him right now
Let me
during the
open the screen.
isolation period. Yeah. How are you?
Yes, not at my real side. Yeah, not my real side yet. We should be going in a couple of days to London for the Global Excel Summit, but due to the coronavirus, this will be postponed to the next year. But we
Yeah.
will be meeting in person
Yes.
soon on the
Soon.
next
Soon.
year.
Yes. So how are you,
Well, this
Cristiano?
is Faraz
How is going
Shaikh.
on?
Yeah,
And
how are
how
you
is
doing,
things?
Faraz?
How's
Yes,
everyone over
Faraz
there?
Shaikh from Excel Exciting. Uh,
Yes.
Say hello for Brazil, and let's start to talk something nice about
How do you
Excel.
say hello? How do you say hello in Brazil? Because I want to say hello everyone in Brazil.
Uh, oi, oi,
Oi.
just oi.
Oh, oi. Oh, that's very easy.
Yeah,
Oi.
oi,
Hi,
oi
everyone.
is hi. It's the same thing. The hi. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, this is Faris. This is one of the experts from abroad that I know and that I follow the work, and this is a very special moment to have him here. And
Thank you.
then,
Thank you.
how are the things on Saudi Arabia? I know that you are not from Saudi Arabia; you are from India. I will
Yes.
let you talk about this. But how is the situation there? We are living the isolation, and
Yes.
how are you living? In, tell us how is the situation there?
Well, first of all, thank you, Cristiano, for inviting me, and it's on an honor to be here with you. Yes, namaste. And by the way, yes, and I wish everyone stays safe, stay at home, don't go out anywhere, keep yourself in isolation, because it's very important for us that we stay back and we protect other lives. Till the things doesn't get
Mm,
clear, try to stay here. And about in Saudi Arabia, well, the government has taken a very good action. They have taken all the precautionary measures and everything, where they are given some time frames where you can step out, and during the only the people who are working must can go during that curfew timings, and they are monitoring it very well over here. In fact, the medical services and other officers, all the government people, they're taking very care. And thank you all doctors and nurses, policemen, army. Salute to you, all of you, for doing such a great job, and we really appreciate on that one. How
yes,
about things over there,
yes.
Christina?
Yes, I'm in Brazil right now. I was supposed to be in New York City with Ligia, but due to the situation, Ligia came back instead of I go there, and then
Uh,
she's studying online now.
okay.
So it's better, it's safer to be in Brazil right now. We are almost all the time at home, working from home, studying from home, and
Mhm.
people now are taking the situation as
Mhm.
serious, as we
Yeah.
should care about seriously. But part of the Brazilian government wants to open all the commerce, and this is the situation that we are living now. Part
Mm.
of the people that don't want to be at home anymore, and
Mm.
part wants to keep, but this is very
Yeah.
complicated. We think that we have to take care about of the health, but
Mm.
let's see what what will be the next
Yeah.
chapter.
Even
But
here,
so you are.
commercial, like the government, they have shut down all the road borders right now. The road borders are being restricted, but the commercial things which are happening from the ports are right now they are working. Uh, so this is how right now it's working, and we hope this gets solved as early as possible.
Hmm. And so you are working from home, right?
Yeah, right now I'm working from home. We all are
Yes.
working from home. Only in case if we need some emergency, we need to go to the office. Then only operation staff is like partially they are working. So it's
Hmm.
been managed. We are like managing everything from home only almost.
Yes. Yes. The technology allows, and Excel
Yes,
is not a problem to work from any place.
yeah, any place right now.
Yeah, we
By
can
the way, we
use
have a
Excel
very
and
nice
Teams.
integration of this Office 365 app, which allows everything to work seamlessly. You can share your documents on Teams, and you can simultaneously work itself over there. You have your Power BI reports. So basically, you fetch the data from your system, and the things are
Hmm.
going up, and then you can make your decisions. What you have to do and how it has to work.
Yes, sure. Sure, sure. And tell us about your story with Excel. How did you start,
Oh,
and how was your first, how and when your first contact with Excel?
okay. So the first thing what I started was not Excel; it was a PowerPoint. Okay, when I was a kid in school, I used to love making PowerPoints. I used to love doing a lot of
PowerPoint.
yeah. I used to do a lot of animations
Ah,
with PowerPoints, and I used to love that stuff. Then later
uh,
on, I'm a computer science student, so we have this Access database. So I was having a lot of command on Access database. So when I joined my
mm,
company over here in Saudi Arabia, so I try to build a system in Access database where it should monitor and track, the things. So I used to be fully on Access database, but due to some security issues, so the IT they advised us to get it everything done in SAP, and we managed to build the same module in SAP. And after that, my journey started with Excel. So whatever the data is to come out from SAP, I have to do it with Excel. So the first thing what I learned in Excel was pivot table. Someone, my, you can see him. He's my guru. Saudan Hulge, his name was my colleague. So he taught
good.
me about pivot tables, and if I remember very well, it was Excel 2007. Yes, it was 2007. So that time pivot tables and Excel tables were there. So I used to be like using them, exploring them, uh, and learning VLOOKUP and those kind of stuff. So that really made me felt me exciting, about Excel, and that's how
Oh,
my journey began. And how I believe is that my always believe is that the systems are made for us. We are not made for the system. So I always try to automate the thing the best level whatever I can. So, and if I see somebody is doing a lot of taking a lot of time on doing something, no, I think no, no, no. Something we have to do for this guy. We have to automate the task, and that's the beauty of Excel, and that's make it
no.
exciting.
So you thought about PowerPoint,
Yeah,
and it was the first contact with the Office
office. Yeah,
software, all the package, and then access databases.
yeah.
And nowadays, do you still use access databases integrated with Excel, or not? It's
No,
different
we are
now.
not. We are actually everything has been connected to our SAP database. We have SQL servers, and those are cloud servers we have. So those
Oh.
servers we fetch the data, and then Excel with the Power Query. Again, it makes things exciting.
So it's not access anymore. So SQL Server, or data
Yeah,
coming from
yeah,
the corporate systems.
yes,
Yes,
corporate
yes,
systems, yeah.
yes. I see that Excel, become it's becoming so powerful that maybe people won't be using access anymore.
Yeah.
Do you think in the same way? Because
Access.
we have the
Yeah.
Power Pivot, the data model,
Yeah.
and we can bring tons of data to the data model. I don't know.
Correct.
I'm not sure if people will keep using Access databases for in the same way
Mm,
for.
I think in Access they should come up with something with the cloud solution. Then definitely, but we already have some cloud solution available in Azure,
Mhm.
data warehouse and all those things. So maybe for small business industries, it's fine. You can run on a Access
Oh
database.
yeah,
That can be really helpful. I have one client who I made a logistics system, where it tracks information, and for him it's okay. It's give him what he needs. So basically, I
small
think it's
business.
depending upon your need. And of course, Excel is like everyday toolkit. There's no person in the company or in an organization who doesn't open an Excel sheet. He has to open at least once in a day. So that's
Yes.
really powerful. And uh, I try to push myself to use as much Excel online, and
Hmm.
it's really nice. You really get to learn something new about Excel online. You come to know what is there in your desktop application, what is not there in the web, what are things are there in web version. In fact, you come to know about that, what are the flexibility with the web version. So that's I think we should explore Excel online more, so
Hmm.
that can be maybe someday a future, where we all have only the desktop version, only the online version rather than the desktop version.
Yes.
What are
The
your thoughts about Excel online?
Yes. We cannot use VBA in the Excel online. We have
Ah,
to
we have
find
scripts.
something different.
We have VBA scripts now. This was a
Yes,
question I
yes.
used to always get. In answer is I used to always get from, if I say someone, "Oh, we don't have VBA." VBA is I
Mhm.
don't deny the power of VBA. Okay, of course, VBA is one time, but Excel
Yes.
Online we have scripts now.
Yes, something is coming, and we have to see what's going on. But TypeScript is a trend, and let's see if they bring Python someday.
Ah,
Someday, maybe. It's the
yes,
most wanted feature to include inside Excel.
yeah,
Everybody is want they wanted JavaScript, but
yeah,
when Microsoft brought JavaScript, everybody
mm,
was asking more. People want even more, and now people want Python. Let's see, but we have something new to explore,
yeah,
and I think it's very promising.
yeah,
Good, good. And tell me about your groups. You have an Excel group. And you are admin on other groups, right?
yeah.
On Facebook. Yes.
Yes, yes.
What is the name of the group?
Actually, there are two groups.
Let's.
One group has been handled
Yes.
by myself with Faraz Shaikh, uh, Excel Master,
Mm-hmm.
and there is a
Yes.
group which
Yes.
is Excel Tricks. So I am recently, I think a few weeks back, the admin promoted me as an admin from moderator to
Uh
admin.
huh.
So I'm taking the
I
control of
saw.
the group. So the group
Yeah.
was they really need to be more monitored, and then in that fashion, then he said that okay, fine, you just take a lead on this one. So we set up the rules and policy, and so these two groups I'm handling right
The
now.
tips and tricks. The tips
Excel
and
tricks,
tricks.
Excel tricks, Excel tricks.
Excel tricks. Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes,
And
yes,
the Faraz Shaikh Excel Master
yes,
is your own group. Yes.
yes,
And
my own.
you are now in the Kaisala group as well. I see that
Yeah,
you put your
Kaizala, I'm a little bit silent over there because there are a lot of groups, coming up. So I try to be focused only on few groups where I can make myself available for that.
yeah. For those who are watching now, the Kaisala group is the Excel community. Is just this name, Excel
Mm,
community. You are
yeah,
all welcome to join us.
mm,
And then you have been attending to some events. I started to see your posts because of the pictures with some famous experts. Tell me about the events. I think you went to Amsterdam, right? Is it
Yes,
correct?
yes, I've been to
And
Amsterdam,
Bulgaria as well.
Bulgaria, Bulgaria.
I know, I
Yes.
know, I know. And
But right now, you don't know. I'm talking with an expert. That's Cristiano, who is sitting right now in front of me.
nah, nah, nah.
Yes,
You had the chance to meet some great experts in person. Oz do Solé,
yes,
Leila Garani, Kempos, Gasper,
mm,
Kamensek, and I'm sure many others like Tony the Junker
yes.
and
Yes, yes, we
and
met over there with a lot of experts, and it was really good, to meet the people who talk about the same language of your Excel, and with experts, you get to learn some more new stuff. How can you manage
Mhm.
it? You can organize yourself, their expertise in the subject. So it really helps. And by the way, in Slovenia, I attended Laila Grani, one class which was there, a master class on dashboards. So that was really interesting. And there was in Bulgaria for Ken Plus and Gasper. They were giving on Power Query, and Ken was giving it on Power Query, and Gasper was on DAX. So I got a great chance to attend their
Uh,
master classes. The beauty of master
so
classes
so
is that you get to learn a lot, because there are a lot of people asking questions that how things works out. There's a difference between having an online classes, taking an online course, and doing a master class, going and attending a master class. You can ask your
Mhm.
questions and queries there itself, and it get resolved, or maybe later you will get the answer, or maybe someone can help you with the um, your Excel issues you're facing. So it's a good chance of learning, making connections, contacts. That's really nice.
Mhm. Yes, yes. So you are in a path. I know of some certifications. You are talking about courses because inside the
Yeah.
events they have the master classes. So it's not every day. For example, we can have the chance of getting a class in person with Campos, for example, or any one of the other experts that we were talking about here. But for example, let's take a class with Campos. I think
Hmm.
this is unique. It is
Yeah.
unique.
Yes.
Is a special moment. So
Mm,
I'm sure that this brings lots of new knowledge,
yeah.
and it's not the same content that we see on the YouTube.
Correct. It is totally different. You see, when you have an Excel sheet, you'll see it into a different. You look it into a different way of dimension. That okay, fine. You were doing it in this manner. Okay, you learned something in this fashion. Let us try to get that knowledge, and it's very important how you take it up in the class. That's very important. I hear, I
Mhm.
see sometimes some posts are been getting posted in my groups. One day we will make you an expert in advance. I'm really sorry. Nobody can become advanced expert in one day. You need time. It's a step
Uh-huh.
which can, it's a ladder you climb up slowly, slowly, and then only you can be an expert. So it's a journey of time and dedication when you give it, and then things are easy for you.
Yeah, it's funny sometimes when people comes to me and talk in a way that it's that they think that I only teach, for example. Maybe it's the same with you. They forget that we are always learning as well. we
Yes.
we have to
Yes.
study every day, practice and study every day, because
Yes.
Microsoft is always bringing new features, and we have to visit again the own concepts that we have in our minds. So I'm always studying, and of course, I bring some knowledge to share with other people, but I am student as well. I think this is what make us what we are now,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we cannot stop to learn. And do you have some pictures of the events of the
Yes,
moments?
I will be having some.
Let's
Let me show you. Okay,
yeah.
see, yeah, I just kept this one. Okay, so I have all few random pictures. I'll show it to you.
Uh-huh. Let's put
So
on
this
the
is the
screen.
picture. You can see it.
Not yet.
Yes.
You have to
Okay,
press
just a minute.
the share screen. Yeah, yeah.
Oops.
Let's share the screen now.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll share it. Wait. So this is
I'm seeing
in,
something here.
wow, great. So let
Oh,
me.
nice.
So this is my friend Rajendra. Okay, he's an engineer in my company. So he just helped
Uh-huh.
me to organize, the backhand guys, who helped me to organize the first Excel event meetup, basically in Saudi Arabia. So
Wow.
yeah, so we managed to get all these people and we had a meetup. So it was really fun. And I'll tell you a story about this projector. You can see this screen, I'll tell you the story about the
Yes.
screen.
Uh-huh.
So what had happened when this was an recreational hall? It doesn't has this screen. So I went to Rajendra home and I told him that Rajendra, I'm looking for a screen. That how can we manage this screen? So he said me that okay, let's go to a shop. We'll buy a curtain. Then we brought a curtain. We then went to a tailor. We brought the pipes. You can see over here the pipes. These are pipes.
Uh-huh.
We brought the pipes and we brought
Mm.
some hooks and we managed to clip it on the board and that's how we manage it. So it was really fun. And this is Adan, my uh, colleague, friend, is in the building. We stay
Uh-huh.
together. So,
Uh-huh.
so let me show you another
Very nice.
picture. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. This is the jugaad what we are doing right now. See, we went to the tailor, to the shop, and
Uh-huh.
we got
Because the place was not prepared to the projection.
yes, actually, we were expecting that it was supposed to have a projector, but it didn't have. So
Oh.
this is a picture of my trip from
Oh.
Europe. This is
Uh-huh.
Gasper,
Gasper.
Laila, Buriana.
Uh-huh.
This is
Leila.
son of Buriana.
Oriana Pet. Uh-huh.
Okay, and this is
Oh,
Andres, and this is also Christian.
Andres.
He's from Romania.
Christian.
Yeah, yeah.
Romania. Ah, nice.
So this was really nice,
Nice.
and this is the me. You can see over here. Okay, this is
Oh,
again
Alan Murray. Alan Murray
Alan, Computer Gaga.
from yeah, Computer Gaga. Nice
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
Yeah.
And this is street of Slovenia. That's really beautiful.
Uh,
Um, okay, this is
it,
again.
it looks like Austria.
Really?
Looks like Austria. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay. So, and this is the people who came for the meetup, and there are more some
Uh-huh.
people over there.
Oh,
Mhm.
for just a moment, an information for the audience, for people who is watching. This is an initiative from Faraz. The meetup is his project. He is organizing the meetup. Is brand new. It's born in now, right?
Yeah.
Recently, right?
Yes.
Okay. How many editions? Uh,
It was the first session we happened, and we were
uh,
planning something in March, to do it. Unfortunately, that time, things of COVID-19 was coming up, so we
mhm.
were holding ourselves back. Okay, we'll do it
And
later, but
now
and it's total.
and now nobody can
Mm,
can do
not
again now because of
no,
the
not yet.
situation.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I was thinking of doing it something online, but having face-to-face interaction is I prefer that way to do my meetups and all that.
Hmm.
So, but let's
Yes.
see if maybe in some coming days I might come and give a meetup. Again, I'll arrange a meetup then. So
Yes, yes.
this is a picture of. Okay, I went to Dubai. I met Batman over there in Dubai in Warner Brothers.
Dubai?
Yes,
It's
this is a
Dubai.
picture from Dubai. Yeah. So this was an Excel
Mm,
Meta MCT summit for all the MCTs those were there, Microsoft certified trainers. So I was speaker over there. I was talking about Power Query on that.
mm.
Okay, and this is picture again in Slovenia. Myself,
Leila.
Milan, Christian, and let me show you this. Okay, so this is the event picture of
Oh,
Slovenia.
Charles.
Charles,
Yes,
you
yes.
know Liam?
Uh-huh.
Liam,
Can
you know Liam?
pose.
Ken Pulse is there. Liam.
Yeah, Liam Bastic.
Liam Bastic, yeah, he has a website, some product. Okay, this
Uh-huh.
is a picture of Dubai. This is Rahim Zulfikar, which I was talking about once to you from Excel
Uh-huh.
Basement.
Uh-huh.
That's
Uh-huh.
Rahim.
I know his work from Facebook. I was
Yes,
posting good content on Facebook.
yes.
Yes. So you
Uh,
know him. You know
yeah,
everybody. Oh, I see Ken post at your side.
yes, Ken
Uh-huh.
Pulse is there. And this is, yes, Ken Pulse.
Yes, yes, Ken post. You know everybody. You know everybody. Good,
and
good.
and myself.
The yes, yes. This is a very nice picture. Do you think you will be an MVP also someday? Uh,
I hope, someday. Uh,
I think you will. I think
Inshallah. And
keep just keep up the work. Keep
yes,
up.
I believe
Yes, yes.
some people they come up and they say that, okay, have you asked for nomination for MVP? To be very honest, I don't feel like asking for a nomination. MVP
Hmm.
is an award that has to be recognized. It's a recognition. So if I'm doing a
Hmm.
good work, definitely any of the MVP will recognize my work and they will recommend me. So I feel
Yes.
that that would be uh, an honor to me have an award in that fashion rather than asking someone for your nomination. So when somebody
Hmm.
nominate you, that means it's an honor for you that okay, fine, he's looking your work, he's seeing it.
Hmm.
And
Yes.
this is a gentleman.
I know him. I just forgot the name. He is one of the best.
Great hit.
Uh, sorry.
Try to get
Tell,
no problem. Take your time.
I know him. I'm just not
Okay,
with the name.
you might be know his website. Okay,
Huh?
you must be knowing his website.
Yes,
Super
I know
BI.
him.
Super BI. He
Yes,
wrote a
yes.
book on Super BI. Accelerator. Excel Accelerator.
Uh-huh.
Matt Ellington.
Oh, yeah, yeah, Matt Ellington. Right?
Yes, he's
Yes,
a
yes,
DAG
yes,
guy.
yes, Matt
So
Ellington. Yes, yes.
yes, so these are the few
Wow,
moments of mine. And I was, if you will be
impressive.
coming in April now, we would be meeting. Then this list would be a little bigger, more with
Wow,
you.
impressive. Yeah, impressive. I will have the chance of meeting everyone and you as well. Uh, Probably in London in February when the Global
Thank you.
Excel Summit
Yes.
will take place. Yes, probably in February, but
Yes.
maybe before. Who knows? Maybe somebody prepare something before and we have the chance to talk in
And by the
person.
way, if I believe you are also organizing an event which is called Excel Weekend, right? Excel Weekend, right?
Yes,
Excel
yes.
Weekend.
Excel weekend. Yes, we are thinking about the next, and we made the past edition in January in São Paulo. It was the biggest one that we had,
Mhm.
and we brought the guy of the Excel development team from
Great.
Microsoft. It was really special, and he speaks Portuguese now. He learned, yeah, yeah, he learned Portuguese to talk in the event with everyone without any kind of translation, and it was
Okay.
really special. And we are always thinking about the next, and let's just wait for this moment to go and the
Yeah.
things back to the normal, and we will start to talk about the Excel weekends again. It's great. It's great.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah, let's talk more about Excel. Do you have something to show them, right?
Mm.
In your screen.
Okay, so I will show you something. Again, I'll share you my screen, and I have something which is over here. Actually, this is something I was just trying to test it. Just making a random password. This one I was just playing
Mm,
around before we were just going to join for the meeting. I was just testing around. So what I have done, over here, that
uh-huh.
I have used this function called char. Okay, I used the rand array. I took the
Yeah.
characters from 60 to 90 with increment of 1. So that has given me the numbers, and I have taken till 3 rows. And that characters I have turned into char. So I got the characters, and I
Mm-hmm.
just use text join, and I use choose, and I got this random numbers. So I was just playing around with it. It's very important, you just keep your brain busy. A lot of people they like to
Uh-huh.
solve puzzle, especially in the isolation time. Some people are playing puzzles, some are like watching videos, some are. I like to do these kind of stuff. I like to do experiments with Excel, and I'm trying,
Uh-huh. Makes sense.
and I try to do a lot of experiment with Mac right now. So
Mm-hmm.
you can see my interface is a little different because I'm using Mac for Excel.
Oh, I see. I see. It's different. Yeah.
And this is something. Okay, this is I kept it for you, to show our friends, one small trick about how can we make a aging report in Excel. Okay, with the help of XLOOKUP. So you
Mm-hmm.
can write over here like this age. You can write the age over here, and you can put like today is the date. What is the today date? So first thing what we wanted to find, this is a payment date and today date. So once you minus that, you get the number of days, in that one. So again, oops. Sometimes it get difficult, when you work with Mac system and you're working with Windows, you forget the
Mm-hmm.
shortcut keys.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is like,
It's because of the other column.
yeah, yeah, because you have sometimes you have to press function key, and then you have to in Windows you have control one. Right here, I need
Oh,
to
okay.
press option something control one only, but my control one has a snagged option. So that's why I
Oh,
put a
okay. Okay. Oh, the shortcut. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
So now if you see, to get the aging, basically I'm trying to get the category of the age, like under what age it
Mm-hmm.
falls. So if something is goes like 11 greater than 11 or greater than 11, then it has to call as 11 to 30 days. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say like today, this is my basically the number. So XLOOKUP, what it does, it needs a number to look up the value, right? So again, you will say XLOOKUP. This is my lookup value, comma.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, my lookup value itself is the construction of the formula, okay, comma,
Mm-hmm.
and my lookup array is this, okay, the age,
Okay.
okay, the age where it is, the numbers are there. So I have set up this category table for itself only, comma, and the return array will be this age and close parentheses, enter. Oops.
And
Ah,
because it's the exact value yet.
yeah, no, but it's gonna take this value which is over here if not match found. Okay, let's keep
Yes.
it blank. Yes, and it should be exact match. Okay, 0. By the way, this argument is not required. You can keep it default. If you don't enter it, also it's okay, fine. Because those are
Mm-hmm.
optional. And let's go. So we got see some places we got these numbers which are there. So the places where it is not overdue, you will get it as you know the blank value. You will get it as that value. So
We don't
now,
need the if error anymore.
no, we don't need an if error anymore over here. Here, one thing
Mm-hmm.
what I have done, it is not exact match. Okay,
Mm.
here it should be -1. Okay, because the reason why I get these numbers in this fashion, because my tables are not sorted. Okay, and XLOOKUP
Mm-hmm.
doesn't matter. Even if your tables are not sorted, it will still able to manage an approximate match. It will do the approximate match. So with the help of the approximate match, I am able to get this report. So
So
that,
it's really easy for those who are watching and maybe think it's complicated. It's just because we have two formulas: one to
yeah,
calculate the age, and then
correct.
another to bring the related category.
Yeah, I'll just quickly do it, saying that let's say today is the date. This is the date which we wanted to extract
Mm-hmm.
minus the payment date. So that will give me the
Yes.
number of dates. Okay, days. Basically, these are days. This is 58 days. So it should fall in the category of this 31 to 60. Now this is my
Mm-hmm.
basically the lookup value. So I'm going to do X lookup, okay, and comma. My return value will be the lookup array will be the age, comma, the age category, comma. If I don't find the value, I'll keep it as blank. And
Blank.
the match mode will be exact match or the next smaller match which is there. So that is -1. Close parentheses, enter, and
Mm-hmm.
overwrite all on the cells.
And we can use the smaller or the larger,
Yeah, then
lar-
it will look it in that fashion. This is basically what.
depending on the needs.
Yes. And what
Good.
I can do is that you can use this new feature ideas, where it takes the data, push it to the Microsoft AI engine and ML engine. Basically, it's there, and which can give you this nice automated reports like this one. I'll just press
Mm-hmm.
insert, and you can see over here, it's making.
Just go back on a moment to the home tab, because I think the logo was on the front of the icon. Just show them
Okay,
the icon again. Uh,
okay. So here it is.
yes, yes, because of we have a logo right in the corner of the screen. It's my
Yes.
fault. Sorry.
No, no, no.
Now people can see the icon of ideas. Okay,
Yeah,
they can see now.
ideas. So if you click
Okay.
ideas, like it will take that
Mm-hmm.
information, push it to the AI engine, and it can build the reports for you. So, like I would like to say, uh, major payments. Like see, sort by suppliers. You have an already a suggestion. Sort by suppliers
Mm-hmm.
by total amount. So I'll get the report like this, and I can just simply hit insert pivot table, and I have my report get ready over here. So it's very quick now, and you don't have to spend a lot of time. First you make the pivot table, then you will make your chart. With the help of ideas, you can straight away uh, get your data and your reports ready. And within just by a fly of a click.
Yes, yes, and just to make sure everybody who is watching now is paying attention. This is a pivot table that was created automatically
Yeah.
through the ideas feature that is recent on Excel.
Yep.
Good, good, excellent, excellent. Excel is evolving really
Yeah,
fast, really
yeah,
fast.
it is. It is. And
Yes.
as you see, recently they have announced some new kind of data types which are having food
Oh
data
yes.
type, which shows you the calories of per kg. That's really interesting. It's and some chemical data types also. That will be really helpful for. I hope the chemical industry people, that I really want to get
Yes.
my hands on that, and see that how that things come. Let me see whether we have it over here. No, right now we have only this geography data type and stock data
Not
type.
yet. When
Not
when I
yet.
saw that announcement, I didn't read uh, correctly, and I opened my Excel to update, and one I wanted to see the new data types, but
Mm.
then I went back to the article and saw, oh, it's only after the middle of the year,
Yeah.
not for now. Yeah, yeah. Well, very good, very good. This is a very special talk. Uh, we don't have this opportunity always
Mm.
to be talking like this, and I thank you very much for accepting the invitation, and for the opportunity of
Okay.
this
Thank you.
really nice talk about Excel communities, the experts, the thing of keep studying.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep studying. And by
Yeah.
the way, you should take the opportunity of this time, and get upgrade your skills. You try to learn, try to ask the experts. People are there to help you around. If you don't ask, you will not get it. Nobody will get small. If you ask someone, it's very
Mm.
important. You ask. You don't know, you ask. Someone will help you. You don't know.
Yes, yes. I like this thing of getting in touch with other professionals, because we always see different things, different points of view. Sometimes we prefer to work using a technique, and then we discover something new because we are always keep in touch with other professionals. This is really nice.
Yeah.
And then I have a
One
next.
thing which is there, Cristiano, I wanted to ask you. I see
Mm,
one picture of yours on Facebook.
uh,
Okay, and that is a clone picture, or it's your brother who look
oh
exactly like you.
yeah, I have a twin brother. Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
a twin brother. He is in Ireland now, and he is
really?
in,
You guys
yes.
touch wood. You guys look same. There's no difference.
Yes. I'm going to put something here later. I don't have the picture now, but
Okay.
yes, I have a twin brother. It's true. He is very similar
So the
than.
power of Excel. That's why you write your Excel channel name is Turbo Excel. Okay, so that's the power of two.
Yes. I have to make a video with him someday.
Uh,
It will be fun. It will
yes.
be fun. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah. Thank you very
wonderful.
much. People will be happy to see you here. I'm putting the website is passing here.
Yeah.
People who are watching now, visit the site excelexciting.com from
Yeah.
Faraz Shaikh,
Thank
and
you.
you will find good content on Excel to help you in your journey.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Uh,
you very much,
Thank
and
you.
we will see again soon.
It was wonderful seeing you all. Stay safe. Stay at home.
Okay, stay safe.
Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.